What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have the INSIGNIA On-The-Go Adapter OTG. Lets you connect more to your Android devices. Let's read back here. Features: compatible with OTG compatible devices, short length for convenient storage, allows for the connection of mice, keyboards, external hard drive, cameras, flash drive, and more. Okay, let's see, let's check it out. Okay, there you go, guys. You have the USB right here and the micro USB. I don't know if you guys can see it. Pretty cool adapter. I got this adapter for my tablet so I can download some stuff. There you have it, guys. The on-the-go adapter. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment this video. I'll see you later.